When masonry surfaces get wet, they lose their insulation properties. Wet walls mean cooler buildings. Attain protection from penetrating damp and improve the thermal resistance of your masonry with up to 30% or more energy savings with secoTHERM, depending on the porosity of the masonry. With this unique one-coat nanotechnology formula, you can protect multiple substrates like brick, stone and concrete from rain and damp penetration for up to 20 years. Many governments in Europe have set targets to reduce carbon emissions from houses. It is a fact that 35% of the heat lost in European housing stock goes through the walls. Many homes have solid bricks or stone walls which are difficult to insulate. When rain penetrates the walls, their ability to keep in heat is deterred. Many types of constructions do not allow cavity wall insulation. To many, valuable floor space makes internal insulation unattractive, while external insulation undesirably changes the original facing and can be costly and unattractive. For those properties where cavity wall insulation is installed, many homeowners will not realize that once this insulation becomes wet, the insulation values are dramatically reduced. It has been determined through our scientific studies that wet bricks can convey heat 2.5 times faster than dry bricks, resulting in higher energy bills. A secoTHERM application creates dry walls and promotes an internal barrier so heat can't escape as readily. Furthermore, a secoTHERM treatment will increase the appearance and look of your masonry by creating a self-cleaning surface that will protect against dirt, pollution, damp and UV light degradation. secoTHERM protects against this contamination. The unprotected buildings pick up dirt and the surface will be stained. The protected part of the building stays clean without any maintenance. How does this work? secoTHERM chemically bonds and penetrates up to 17 millimeters into the substrata and therefore creates an invisible barrier to adverse external weathering influences, while the structure remains permeable to water vapor. The protected surface repels water, pollution, microorganisms. Dirt and algae will find it difficult to adhere. Particles are simply washed away by rain. secoTHERM Creme is the ultimate clear thermal protection for masonry. Masonry surfaces treated with secoTHERM improves thermal efficiency of the masonry by keeping it dry. Energy savings up to 30% and more, depending on porosity. Maintaining thermal properties of cavity wall insulation. Reduces heat loss. Self-cleaning surface. Slow aging or breakdown. Less susceptible to the growth of microorganisms. With secoTHERM, your building will stay clean and save energy. Talk to our specialists. Please visit penetratingdamp.org.uk.